Thank you for watching this intro video to Niimblr. We are the intersection between project management and annotation for anyone who creates content. So if you are a media agency, a creative agency, and you're handling different type of content that you deliver as a service to your clients, regardless if you're a freelancer or a larger company, this is a tool that can help you get structured and organized all the reviews and the communication around graphical review. So our biggest differentiator is that, first of all, clients love it how easy it is to get onboarded and to proceed with adding comments and just in general handling assets that are ping-ponging between the creator and the person who needs to approve them. So it could be within your team, but it could also be between your team and the clients and collaborators. Another thing that Niimblr is known for is that you can upload all assets types. So we're not limiting you to videos or 2Ds. Actually, for 3D, if you are delivering 3D, it's a great way to share it with clients and to enable them to just view the asset. Not only that, but also comment on them, PDF, audio files, and so forth. But let me give you a tour instead, so you can have a better idea of what I'm talking about here. So this is the Niimblr dashboard. It's the first layer in Niimblr. This is where you can see the different folders of that were created and where the assets have been already uploaded. You can also see some user management settings, so who is owning and who has been added as a members and so forth. There are some shortcuts on, what are the recent projects you've been working on, and you can also filter. So this is just your main dashboard. If you look into the second layer, you will see, if you're familiar with a Kanban board, you will see all your assets uploaded, but in different states. And this will help you and your collaborators understand what is the next step and where do we stand with this content being approved or commented on. You can add members here, you can add a text-based description, but you can also add a PDF as a supporting document. So if you were to review a movie and you want to attach a storyboard as a PDF, this is a good place to do that. So once you have all your assets sorted out, the idea is that everyone who needs to comment on them can just access them super easily. So here, for example, you can open a 3D file, and if you have been asked to comment on it, you will be able to do that in different angles and always go back to the angles where the comment was made. You can also see the history of who said what and the details, and you can resolve comments as they go. So this is really to help you keep track of not only viewing, sharing, being able to annotate, and also have a history of, the activities that have been happening. You can do the same for 2Ds, you can do the same for videos. So here, for example, in a video, if you want to leave a graphical comment, you do that. If you want to just comment on a specific timestamp, you can also do that. So this is the idea of Niimblr. It comes with a lot more detail and information, and I'd love to show it to you if you're interested. We also have a free plan, so anyone who wants to get started and upload a few assets and share it with their teams or with clients, go ahead. We love feedback, so don't hesitate to reach out. And if you're still watching this, thank you so much. Bye.